Hi, I'm Dennis from Bagger Parts, and I'm here today to talk to you about my fairing bracket repair kit. Have you ever gone down the road and noticed an unusual vibration in your fairing? Well, this kit repairs the upper brackets that tend to break in your fairing. This kit will also prevent your radio from skipping and will allow you to be able to see out your fairing mounted mirrors. I'm going to show you today how this kit is easily installed. The first step is that I've got to remove the screws that hold the windshield in, and then there's 2 screws here and 2 screws down here. So I'm going to start by simply removing these. The next step is taking off the mid-level screws. Now I'm going to remove the 2 bottom screws. One screw left.
And then
now I'm going to remove the outer fairing, and that will expose the wires that are attached to the headlight, and you simply remove that, and that will let that go free. Now that we've removed the outer fairing, we can see where the problem area is. You can see where this is separated here, and from vibration, we've got a break right here, and this is the area that we're going to repair. What we could do is replace all of this bracketry that holds the radio, but that's not necessary with the fairing bracket repair kit. And so now we're going to show you how to take this piece off and get it ready to have the new bracket installed. The next step will be to take this screw out. And that gives you the piece that has broken. So now we're going to repair this tab. Okay, this is the kit right here. Comes with both the left and the right side. The drill bit and the hardware are also included in this kit. And being that this is the right side, it drops in right there. And so the nice part about this bracket is that being that it's supported on 2 sides, it will prevent that bracket from ever vibrating and breaking again. And why have to totally disassemble your inner fairing just to replace a broken tab when you can simply replace it with this kit? Okay, the next step will be to put this in place. I've got the original screw here, which will drop right in. And then with the Allen head, what I'm going to do is I'm going to return this screw to its original position, but I'm not going to tighten it all the way up yet. So just like this. Okay, I'm leaving that a little loose. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of vice grips and I'm going to clamp the front of that. And now I've got it supported in 2 spots, and I've got it ready and lined up so that I can drill my holes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with the supply drill bit, drill out the 3 holes. I'm going to take a quick shot cloth and I'm going to stuff it in behind here. That just prevents the drill bit from going through and nicking any wires. I've also taken a second and I've pushed my wires back. Now that I can line this up, I'm going to drill these holes out. There's one. As you can see, I caught my shot cloth that time a little bit. And the last one. Okay. And now we are set to put the hardware in. The next step is to apply the hardware. So I'm going to take and run it so that the Phillips head is out. Just like so. You know, there's 3 screws in here, and that tends to be a little bit overkill, but if you don't want vibrations, you might as well be overkill versus having it loosening up. The other nice thing is that these are all lock nuts, so they won't loosen up. Last one goes in like so. Like so. The next step is that I've got a 3/8 wrench here. I'm going to put it on each one of the screws. Finish tightening those screws like so. Now I can remove the vice grips, and the last step will be having to finish this screw, tightening that screw. The last step is I just have to finish tightening this screw. There we go. And put the outer fairing back on, and I've just installed a fairing bracket repair kit. Well, I just completed putting the outer fairing back on my bike, and now I'm ready to ride. Thanks for watching my video today, and please feel free to check me out online at www.bagger-parts.com or give me a call today at 888-775-7547.